Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Wix website under construction in just a few simple steps. Whether you're making some updates, rebranding, or simply not ready to showcase your website to the world, this easy process will guide you to mask your existing content with an under construction page. Let's dive in. We'll start by opening the Wix website editor. Once you're in, let's look over to the left-hand side menu, where you'll find an option labeled Pages and Menu. Click on it to expand your choices and then select Add Page. Here you will see several different page types to choose from, but we want to focus on landing page. From the templates available, the second one will be our pick for today. Go ahead and click Add Page. You'll be prompted to give your new page a name, so consider something straightforward like Under Construction. And once you're happy with that, click Done. Now it's time to dive into editing. Replace the default text on this page with something clear and direct like Under Construction. Feel free to personalize it a bit, perhaps adding a small message like, "We're working hard to improve your experience." This greeting is what visitors will see, so a touch of thoughtfulness goes a long way. Once your text is good to go, it's time to publish by clicking Publish at the top. With our page set up, the next step is to make this page our home page. Return to Pages and Menu and locate your main page. Click the three-dot button positioned next to it and select Settings from the drop-down. Here, under the Layout tab, switch the layout from Standard to No Header and Footer. This change ensures the page has a clean, distraction-free appearance. Now that the layout is sorted, let's hide your main page from the public eye. Click the same three-dot menu again and choose the Hide option. This ensures that your original content stays behind the curtains until you're ready to unveil it. To finalize the setup, select the three-dot menu once more and choose Kersetta's homepage for your freshly minted under construction page. When you preview your site, you'll see it's transformed. Visitors will only encounter your under construction page.